DC Universe Infinite Ultra Speed, Absolute Wonder Woman 12, DC vs. Vampires, World War V 12, New History of the DC Universe 3, Justice League Unlimited 11, Superman 30. It's just worm days, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you don't really want to be seen, so what else we got? Go on. Immortal Legend Batman number 2, Superman Unlimited 5, Wonder Woman 25, Flash 25, Mr. Terrific Year 1 number 5, Green Arrow number 28, Green Lantern number 27, Detective Comics 1101, Catwoman 79, Harley Quinn 54, Supergirl Universe Ends, this is a collection. Challengers of the Unknown, this is a collection.
Metamorpho the Element Man collection.